Hey guys, it's me and I'm back. Welcome to another video. I have for you, these were the two boxes, the American Influencer Beauty Bundle that I just did right before this one. These came yesterday. This is the Trendmood. I don't know if you guys got this one. If you did, let me know, please, down below in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Tell me what your thoughts are. I was first introduced to this product. Okay. Now, Trendmood is not a month-to-month. It is not a beauty box subscription. It is just a beauty box. Sometimes it is a takeover, and other times you're going to find that it has an assortment of different products from different brands. This one happens to be a takeover. Now, that's what the inside of your box looks like. Prices are going to vary depending on the products that are inside your box. I don't think I've paid more than $54 or $55 for a box. I have paid as low as 30 something for a box, but I think this one here was in the 40 some dollar. Doesn't matter because the price will be up there. All right, let's get into this thing. I did what I always do. I open everything up. I check to make sure there isn't anything broken, spilt, making a mess inside. Once I'm happy with that, I box it back up. This one is Juvia's Place. The other thing, you will never get a card with Trendmood, so don't even expect it. All right, the first one is the Peptide and Ceramide Cream. You can't see it because the lettering is white. Like I mentioned before, I was introduced to Juvia's Place a couple of years ago. It was during Christmas, and I had seen a lot of people using their eyeshadow palettes. I went to Ulta, I checked out the section, and it seemed as though everything wasn't for me, wasn't built for my skin tone. And Juvia's Place has started to make a transition into any and all skin types and skin colors and shades and whatever. And I started using them. Now I have a very small collection of their products because they can be a little pricey. But this here is the little jar. It is gorgeous. Look at that. It's clear on the bottom, see-through, and then it has that solid top. And it is made out of plastic. It does feel like a hard plastic. You do have your little spatula. Make sure that you're getting the proper dose. This is very whippy. Kind of like starting to remind me of that one cream we got. Was it not Saturday Skin? Was it Saturday Skin? Might be, but I'm starting to see this texture showing up in a lot of creams. And then it has right here the lettering, very faint in pink writing. The niacinamide and peptide. Okay, next we have I Live, I Love, and these are two lip pen liner and liquid liner. Check that out. Their packaging is phenomenal. It's absolutely beautiful. So we have a pen liner here. We have a pen here. This one is in black. Are these liners? As in, I think these are eyeliners. I think these are eyeliners, you guys, because this one here is in black. Yep, look at the tip on that baby. Now that is what I call a very, very sharp and long line, long liner. And then this one here is a liquid liner in black as well. So they kept it universal instead of doing, you know, the brown, light brown, dark brown. Ooh, look at the packaging on that. That is pretty. See how it kind of skinnier up on top and then it flares out? It's like somebody pinched it right there. Ooh, because it makes twisting off the cap nice. Look at that. Oh, it is definitely gloppy. Look at that. And I just barely touched it to my skin. Ooh, that is definitely not one. This kind of saddens me because I can see me giving these away. So if you guys are somebody who doesn't mind that, you know, somebody like me use these, I'd love to know. You know, I'm not saying that these are going to go in a giveaway or anything here on my channel. The only way I would ever do something like that is if I know that people don't mind. I know some people do. They tell me, you know, no, I don't want anything you've swatched, whatever, and that's fine. I have respect for that. But if you don't mind, let me know down below because I'd like to take a poll on that. And this one is the Let's Melt It Off Cleansing Balm. Melt Makeup, Nourish, Sun Buckthorn. So it had, no, excuse me. Melt Makeup plus Nourish, Sea Buckthorn plus Pineapple plus Mango Seed Butter. Okay. And it has the sticker right here. This thing right here is a sticker. So it's like they put the sticker over something. I don't know. Maybe it was misspelled. You know, sometimes packaging, when they print them, they make mistakes. It does have the little spatula. Make sure you get that right dose. You're not overusing your product. This is like a balm, so it's like the melting. Like the e.l.f. So far, 2 skincare and 2 eyeliners. And then there is the Hyaluronic Glow Serum, Hydrate, Smooth, Plump, Hyaluronic Acid, and Vitamin B5. Oops. I like the different colors. I wonder, you know, it's too bad they don't have like the colors as long as all of the, if your packages have lilac on them, you know what I mean? Then they go together. You know, it's for dry skin or it's not for dry skin. And this one reminds me of Glow Recipe, a cute little purple bottle. Glass, it is heavy. It does have a sticker that says pull the cap up, but they're, well, oh my God, it's just like, oh, it's everywhere. Okay, that's all right though. I'll clean it up. It's like, I don't know if you can see that. It's like spider webs. See? And okay, I'll stop playing with it. I'll clean this up and before I put it back in the box, because that just made a mess. All right. Second to the last is the Let's Melt It Off Gel Cleanser. Melt Away, Cleanse, Hydrate with Aloe and Hyaluronic Acid. And that is this right here, this guy right here. Like I said, see the pretty packaging? And everything here is cruelty-free, paraben-free, mineral oil-free, formaldehyde-free, sulfate-free. This is the bottle right here. Gorgeous, absolutely stunning. Beautiful. And it is very thick. I mean, it is thick. I don't even know if you can see that, but it is really thick. Do you have to shake it up? Because it almost looks like something else. It is a pump. It is a pump. Again, so you use the correct amount when you're washing your face. That I do like. So far we have 4 items that are skincare, and there are 2 liners, but they came in the same pack. And then we have this because it looks like it goes with it. It's from the I Live, I Love. And my guess is this is an eyeshadow palette. Now see, her eyeshadow palettes are absolutely stunning. It's pretty wrapped up. This is like the way I like to ship my stuff off to people. All right, and this is it right here. Very nice. I Live, I Love. Oh, look at the colors. It does have a little mirror right here, so it's got a pretty decent mirror on the lid. And then we have, let's get rid of that, and then we have these colors right here. Those are gorgeous. I don't know that I want to swatch this right now, but those two center, these two, not the chunky red right here down at the bottom, but these two right here look like shimmers, like pressed shimmers. And they're like calling my name. So there's three shimmers or pressed. That definitely, that red one looks like it's a little chunkier. It, you know, it has that. Let's just do it. Okay, this is like you're dipping your finger into glitter. This feels like you're rubbing your finger on silk. This one. Now let's go with that top center one. Same thing. It's almost like in the middle of the road. Kind of like chunky, but like, get those. Let's see what they do. Okay, so I'm kind of wondering that, see that center one, that red one, it just like started to crumble. And then this one right here, this lilac-y one, is kind of a shifty, it shifts colors a little. This one up on top, I had to swipe a couple times, that bluish baby blue. See that? That top one above the red. That one kind of has a little bit of shifting going on. But I like the feel of them. They're not necessarily my colors, but you know what? Sometimes if you just play and you mix shades with another shade. All right, you guys, that's it for the Juvia's Place Takeover with Trendmood January 2022. I will have the total price for you up there. I have to go and take a look on their website to check all the products. Okay, you guys, take care. You have an absolutely wonderful evening. It's evening for me. It's almost midnight on Sunday. That's right, January 9th. You know, that sign still says the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, but I haven't gotten around to doing it, and I really should. Either that or I'm just too lazy to change that sign in between boxes. I don't know, whatever. In the meantime, you guys take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.